We're headed downtown. It's just before 7 o'clock on Friday the 22nd, Earth Day, 2016. And we're headed downtown because there's supposed to be a concert with an artist by the name of T-Pain tonight. So we're going to get our Uber on tonight. Hopefully we'll get some good calls. I know it's supposed to get really busy around 11 o'clock, but we're going to hang out downtown a little bit. Maybe get some video clips, some B-roll from around the arena and the crowd. So let's head down there and see how big of a concert it really is. It looks like the Friday night crowd's out already. Over here by Hoopscott. Over here, the new Huddle building construction. Still under construction. Gotta make sure I hit the stop sign here. Mom and Dad are out there. Somebody's a little dressed up for something over here. It used to be Lincoln Station over here. Actually, it's over to the left, about a block now. It's the old steam locomotive over here. And we're going to try and go down here, see if we can get over where the main entrance of the arena is over here. But let's see, make sure we don't run anybody over. Oh, you drunk college kids. We got the big screen going over here. What used to be a ice skating rink over in the rail yard here. Yeah, there's a small line starting up over here. Stop over here. Wait for Grandma and Grandpa to get across the street. Alright, well, now we're still sitting downtown. We're on 12th and O right now. Just after 7 o'clock. Still getting pretty busy, but I'm thinking it's going to get even more busy, or progressively busier in the next hour or so. So we're just trying to find a good spot to stop and sit, where we don't have to pay the meter so much. Oh, come on, people, turn your corner. And, well, we'll see how things go from there. So just hanging for the ride. Now we're sitting over here just for a little bit, over at the Antelope Valley Project floodway, or whatever they want to call it. They did back in 2007, or 8, or 10, I think it was, maybe 12. I don't even know exactly what year, but has that stone head sculpture there. Has a little Dickinson Dinsmore Graph Amphitheater. That's a heck of a name. Right by his bike trail, and the water fountain over here. So we are online waiting to be Ubered up. Everything, where they're surging at 2.0 right now. And I got the other app over here so I know where the other drivers are as well. And now it's just a waiting game. And as soon as I log on, we're surging up to 3.1 now. So looks like it's pretty busy over by the arena. Everybody being dropped off at the arena for the T-Pain concert tonight. But it's also Friday night, so it's the bar night in college town. So, but it's early. Okay, here we go. Okay, we're back home while the concert's in concert. Had 3 young ladies, college students, taken down to the concert and everything. Had a heck of a time finding their address. Oh, here's Net.
W0BFB, no traffic. Zero Hotel, Mike, in and out.
The 24th of April 2016, and yeah, storms are just beginning to roll in. We've been put in a severe thunderstorm watch until 10 p.m. There's a couple storms down in Kansas and some cells building up toward our area here, just coming from the southwest here, west and southwest. So I'm beginning to see a little bit increase in activity here. We're at the park, probably about 3 blocks away from the house. Just gonna watch it and see if anything interesting develops. So we'll take it one clip at a time. Oh, and here's the current radar. We are that blue dot there that says Lincoln in the middle, and all the other stuff is the rain that's headed our way or right on top of us. Bit of hail. More wind than anything. I don't know if you can see it out there. Coming down pretty good. Oh man, that's blowing good. This way here. We decided to head back because it was getting pretty damn windy, and hail was getting really loud on the windshield, so I didn't want to shout at the windshield just sitting in there. Whew. A few twigs down here and there, but after this passes, we'll go and see how much branches, because the wind really came up. The wind came up at least 40, 50 miles an hour off the back and everything. So. That's just stuff on the other tree. So we'll check for it.